I am looking really pale today. I have to pee so badly. What does this one smell like? Hold on. Cake. Cake. When I'm with my baby, yeah. So this welcome back to another skincare Sunday. We're gonna be playing with a ton of Algenist products today. I have recently gotten to try Algenist in the past couple of months, and there are some products that I really need to share with you guys. There are some products that just launched not even a week ago in Sephora, and Algenist has some amazing serums, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys all about them. So this video is all about Algenist, so if you wanna see it, then just keep on watching. Mwah. Cute. First things first, we need to cleanse our face. This is Algenist's Gentle Rejuvenating Cleanser. So what's special about Algenist, you guys, is it has hyaluronic acid in it, and that comes from algae, hence why they call it Algenist. Hyaluronic acid, Algenist, algae, you know, they all sound similar. So it's basically a compound that regenerates and protects the microalgae cell. But now we're using it on humans, and it does great things for us. Then we have some masking. You guys know I love masking. I've got like 5 drawers of in my house dedicated to just masking alone, and there's still not enough room for all the masks that I have. They're just cool. But this one is super cool. This is their prebiotic balancing mask, and I will show you why it's cool. I mean, first off, it is such a pretty color, and the camera does not do it justice at all. So I'm just gonna keep massaging it into my skin until the color changes pink. Haha. Isn't that so cool? So here's the before and here's the after. It's kind of hard to see from back here, but that is so cool. And the mask, there you go. You can really see it like that. There you go. And the mask is just such a cool, almost feels like a foam texture. So this mask is supposed to help hydrate our face, rebalance it, and make it feel more alive. We're gonna leave it on. The back of it actually says 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it on probably just a little bit longer than that, and then we're gonna take it off and move forward. Goodbye, pretty mask. Okay, now it's time for serum. I have 5 serums here. I'm only going to end up using 1, possibly 2 serums, but I want to share them all with you because, first of all, I have them all. And Algenist serums are amazing. So first we have the Recharging Night Pressed Serum, and before I get into the details about it, why is it in this container, you ask? Well, my friends, well, it is a solid serum, and it is the coolest serum in the world. It is literally solid. It's like, it smells so good. By the way, all of Algenist products smell so good, but it's just such a weird texture, and I do not know how to describe it to you guys, and it feels amazing. It really just focuses on recharging the skin and rejuvenizing the skin. This would be like your go-to serum. I have also heard that it is really, really good to use as a like primer right before your makeup. So just saying. We love products that have dual purposes. Then we have the Anti-Aging Vitamin C Serum. This is going to help brighten your skin and also help with anti-aging. Listen, just because I'm 25, or even if you're younger than me, start now. So then we have the Advanced Retinol Serum. The retinol that is in the serum is actually vegan. I'm pretty sure that Algenist is in the process of transitioning over to 100% vegan. This specific product is 100% vegan, and retinol is supposed to help with the elasticity in your skin. So if you feel like you're lacking in that corner of the world, then this is the serum for you. This one literally smells like cake. Then we have the one, the only liquid collagen from Algenist. This product right here, you're supposed to see results in just 10 days. It's supposed to improve elasticity, fight signs of anti-aging, hydrate, do all of the fun stuff that you would be looking for in a serum. And I don't know if you guys can see how cool the product looks. Like even from the dropper. Why? I'm actually so confused. They all smell so good, but this one, they all have like a weird scent to them. The other one smells like cake. This one smells like chocolate. Then we have the AA Barrier Serum. This is one of the new products that just recently launched from Algenist. This serum focuses on protecting your skin from the environmental yuckiness. You guys, you'd be so surprised with all the pollution that's in our air, especially if you live near a city area like I do. Ew. We want to protect our skin from all of that gross stuff in the air, especially pollution, air pollution. I don't know the correct term, but I kid you not, I have tried a couple of products that are focused on protecting your skin, including masks and things like that, that protects your skin from the air pollution. And when I tell you, after you apply them, your skin just looks so clean and clear. I mean it. So I'm gonna use both of these serums. I'm gonna use the Barrier Serum first. This one does not smell like food, but it still smells good. So now that you guys know all about Algenist's serums, and I'm sure that there's more than just the 5 that I have right here, we're gonna use the Complete Eye Renewal Balm underneath our eyes. It's gonna help with everything that you want for an under eye cream. It's gonna decrease the signs of aging and fatigue, and it's also going to firm up the eye area. For moisturizer, we have the Alive Prebiotic Balancing Moisturizer. Has SPF 15 in it. It's going to be a lighter moisturizer, but it's going to help obviously moisturize and hydrate our skin and give us a glow. And then we have the Genius Liquid Collagen Lip. This is going to help plump our lips and hydrate them. This is very, very, very similar to the Genius Liquid Collagen Serum. Honestly, it's basically the same, but it's specifically formulated for your lips. Then we have the Firming and Lifting Neck Cream from the Elevate collection. This is also a newer product. And finally, last but not least, we have a Liquid Collagen Body Milk from the Liquid Collagen collection. I actually really like this moisturizer because it's not super thick. I can't tell you enough, guys, how many times I put on a thick moisturizer on my body, and though it feels great, it's not fun to put jeans on after, or any pair of pants for that matter. Another product that smells like cake. So curious as to what makes this smell like cake. All right, you guys, that is it for today's Skincare Sunday. I hope you learned a lot about Algenist. It has become one of my new favorite brands to use, especially their serums. Let me know in the comments below, out of this whole skincare routine, which one of these products was your absolute favorite. And if you guys have tried Algenist before, I want to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Okay? Okay, that's all I have for today's video. Happy Sunday, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my skincare Sundays. They go up every day. Or not every day. Wait, what? They go up every single Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern time, so do not miss out. Click that notification bell. Check out all my other skincare Sunday videos right here and all my other videos right here on the side. Love you. I'll see you guys next week.